So what I mean by that, I'll show you here. You can just see a list or boxes of all of the different courses where I am enrolled as a teacher. Your son or daughter, your child, your student should see ELA, social studies, science, math, homeroom, B time, and an encore. You may even see a second encore that is for next semester, okay? But when you are on this page, you can click the page with your picture. And you may be have some different options here, but one of the things I would suggest that you do as a student and as a parent is update your notification settings. I tried to help some students with this, and so did Ms. Hardy, because it seemed like students were getting 100 emails every time somebody posted to a discussion board or something like that. They had it going off on their phone and their computer and their iPad, and I can feel that pain. It happens to me as well. This is great right here, parents. We all know that we are trying to figure out how to do these things on Canvas. When kids are emailing me talking about how do I submit, how do I do this, I'm going here and I'm looking it up, or I'm going to YouTube and Googling it just the same as they would do. But if you search the guides of Canvas here, you can just type in a category, and let's say you want to say submit assignment. Then it should bring up all articles. How do I submit an online assignment? How do I submit a Google Cloud assignment? How do I submit? So it goes in here and it tells you step by step. So one of the things that we're using in school a lot is the Google Cloud assignments. I'm going to click on that one for you. This is the assignment. It was the TED Talk. There was also the secondary source, the 4Cs organizer. Those were all Google Cloud assignments. You'll know it's a Google Cloud assignment if when you scroll to the bottom of the assignment page, there's a little gray bar that says click here to open the assignment, or a little piece of the assignment is embedded into it. So the way you would submit, and I like the way they do this, and I find this more helpful than YouTube because they box in what it is you're trying to do. So you have assignments, you open it, and then this is what your student would see. They will know that they are typing in the right space if they see the name of the assignment linked right here in blue, and they see a submit button. If you don't see those two features, what that means is you most likely have created your own copy, which then the teacher cannot see unless you share it into this document or you email it. And I've told my classes email is just not the best right now because I get hundreds of them a day. And so that's one of the reasons I'm kind of pushing for the Canvas inbox for my students, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. So, but the students, they would click on the bar, they would see the assignment, they would edit it, and then they can hit the submit button and it'll ask them to confirm. Sure. Or you can see your picture, you clicked on help, the question mark, and the guides pop up. All right. You can ask me a question this way and send me the message. This is the best way to get a message to me because it comes to this inbox, and I know only my students and my students' parents have access to this. So I'm not having to field away all of the different district, county, state, professional organization emails and trying to get them and find theirs, within the pack of all of those.